In this video, we are going to learn how we can create awesome presentations in PowerPoint with the help of ChatGPT. So not only it will help you to create the content, there are AI tools integrated in PowerPoint as well that will help you to design those slides as well. So let's see the combination of both. First of all, we need to log in into ChatGPT. What you can do is just go to Google and write there ChatGPT. Sign in with your Google account, the regular one, and you will land on this main screen. And let's write something like and I have written a simple prompt here. Please make 10 slides on importance of public transport in USA. You can use any topic, whatever you like. No placeholders. Please use your own knowledge so that ChatGPT can come up with something unique. Let's click and let's see how it generates these slides content. And as we can see, it has not generated the content. It has generated a complete PowerPoint presentation, which is nice. Let's download this. And it is already ready in the PowerPoint format. Let's click on open. Close this first, open this. And here is our presentation. As you can see, it has divided it into different slides, and that is really awesome. We don't have to do anything. All we have to do is just format it a little bit and we are good to go. After that, what we need to do in order to format it beautifully, rather than using the standard designs, although it can make your slides look beautiful, we have a lot of themes here, which is quite nice. You can use any of them. But if you want to custom design your slides, here's what you can do. If you're already using Microsoft Office 365 for your desktop applications, you will get a designer tab here. But if not, don't worry, you can still get it. Just go to Google and write here Microsoft Office 365, and here you can click on this official website of that. What you can also do is just click and write login Microsoft 365 Copilot. That is what we want to use, and click on sign up for the free version of Microsoft 365. We just want to log in from our Microsoft account. Click next. So this says that we already have this linked. So we will click on sign in, but otherwise you can create a new account. We will click on sign in. We'll sign in with our PIN. Otherwise we can use the code. Send code. Actually, let's use the password. That's more convenient. Click next. Click next. You can create the passkey at this time so that next time it will be easier for you to log in. Continue. We just have to mention our system pin. Okay, it couldn't create the passkey at the moment. That's fine. Stay signed in, yes. And now once you're logged in into Microsoft account, you need to write here again, Office 365 login. Click on sign in. And now we are in the cloud version. Click close. And here is our PowerPoint presentation. Just click on that. You can upload a file. First of all, let's save this. It's already saved in downloads. So let's go to downloads, select this file, and it will open in the cloud version. Let me just make it full screen. In the home tab, we can get all of these options. Let me just expand this. Always show ribbon, classic ribbon. And in the home tab, we have the designer tab. Now designer tab is very, very helpful to quickly format and design our presentation. Just go to the designer tab and it will generate some of the designs for every single slide. Obviously it will be not very professional, but still it does its job. So for example, this is a simple presentation on how the introduction to public transport in USA. So it has generated a lot of suitable ones that you can simply use by clicking on it. This one is a premium design. Whatever is with the diamond shape is a premium design. So what you can do is you can use many free versions as well, like this one. So let's use that. And it will automatically read the requirements like economic importance, and it will create some of the slides automatically for you. Whatever is designed in a very good way, it will be a premium one. So just make sure of that. See more design ideas. You can get some more like this one. See how quickly it has reformatted this. And for the environmental benefits, as you can see, it has generated some very good picture with it, but obviously it's a premium version, so we can use something else. Let's say, see more. Let's say this one. And let me just quickly format the rest of the slides. And here is your PowerPoint final presentation. As you can see, it looks quite amazing. It is just generated by ChatGPT, and we have used the designer option, the AI, to create all of these designs to different slides. If you want to give every slide a different look instead of just using a theme, you can also use Morph, which is very popular. Let's select all the slides. Just press Ctrl A to select them all. And if you use Morph, let's see what we get. So this looks very good. But for Morph, we have other amazing functionalities as well. So I think push and other kind of effects will look much better here. And look at this, guys, how professionally it has created the complete slide without much of a hassle. You just entered or given a simple command to ChatGPT and it has fully created the PowerPoint presentation. And then you have used the online AI tool of Microsoft 365, which if you have a premium version, you can get much more better designs than this, but still it works quite good in the free version as well. So this is how, if you want to quickly generate a presentation using AI, you can use its ChatGPT support and you can format it with an online tool of PowerPoint. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.